just quit my job at the telephone company, which I hated, and I was kind of worried because I needed another job. So I went to this jazz club in Philly to apply for a hostess job. I thought it would be cool, you know. They had a band playing and their last set was an open set, so people could come up and do whatever, sing. I was like, oh, I should sign up, you know? And then I went to the bathroom, and then I came back, and they were calling my name because my friend had signed me up without my knowledge. So I was like scared to death. I was just like, oh my God, what am I going to do? And then I just went up there, and it was so great. And I just always remember how I felt like I wrote a poem when I got home because it was so great. And it was a full moon, and I remember how it felt to not just combine the poetry with music, but to share it with people that I didn't know and have them say, wow, I really felt that or whatever. Like, that was amazing. So then I was hooked.